welcome to Home Garden Concepts. If your narrow side yard feels like nothing more than an unused walkway, you're missing one of the most valuable spaces on your property. With the right combination of landscaping, smart layouts, and carefully selected plants, even the tightest side yard can become a beautiful extension of your outdoor living space. In this video, we'll explore 10 practical design ideas that improve curb appeal, maximize every inch, and transform overlooked spaces into gardens you'll actually enjoy. A narrow side yard doesn't have to feel like a forgotten passage. A thoughtfully designed stepping stone path creates rhythm, naturally guiding the eye from one end of the garden to the other while making the space appear longer. Instead of placing stones in a straight line, stagger them slightly and surround them with fine gravel and low-growing ground covers like creeping thyme or Irish moss. This combination improves drainage, softens hard edges, and transforms an overlooked walkway into an inviting garden experience. When floor space is limited, think vertically. A living green wall transforms an ordinary fence into a lush focal point without narrowing the walkway. Install sturdy trellises or modular planters, then combine climbing vines with trailing foliage and colorful perennials to create layers of texture. Mixing evergreen plants with seasonal blooms keeps the wall attractive throughout the year while improving privacy, reducing heat reflected from the fence, and making the entire side yard feel larger and more immersive. Not every side yard gets full sun, but that doesn't mean it can't be beautiful. Instead of fighting the shade, choose plants that naturally thrive in lower light. Layer bold hostas, delicate ferns, colorful heucheras, and elegant hydrangeas to create depth and contrast. Adding different leaf shapes, textures, and shades of green makes the garden feel lush year-round. Finish the design with natural stone edging and organic mulch to retain moisture and give the entire space a polished, professionally landscaped appearance. A modern gravel garden is one of the easiest ways to upgrade a narrow side yard with minimal maintenance. Replace patchy grass with decorative gravel to improve drainage and create a clean, contemporary foundation. Then layer drought-tolerant plants like blue fescue, lavender, agave, and ornamental grasses alongside natural boulders for year-round texture. The contrast between stone, foliage, and open space gives the garden a sophisticated look while making the narrow area feel brighter, wider, and intentionally designed. A narrow side yard can become both beautiful and productive with slim raised garden beds. Keep each bed about 12 to 18 inches wide so the walkway remains comfortable while maximizing planting space. Use cedar or powder-coated metal for durability, then grow a mix of herbs, leafy greens, flowering perennials, and compact shrubs for year-round interest. Adding varied plant heights creates visual depth, making the side yard feel wider while turning an overlooked space into a functional garden. Don't let the end of your side yard become wasted space. Instead, transform it into a cozy retreat with a compact seating area surrounded by layered greenery. A built-in bench or a pair of comfortable lounge chairs creates an inviting destination, while tall ornamental grasses and evergreen shrubs provide natural privacy. Add soft outdoor lighting, textured planters, and a small accent table to complete the space. By giving the pathway a purposeful destination, the entire side yard feels longer, more welcoming, and thoughtfully designed. Lighting can completely transform a narrow side yard after sunset. Instead of relying on a single bright fixture, layer different light sources to create depth and warmth. Install low-voltage path lights for safe navigation, wall sconces to highlight architectural details, and uplights to showcase ornamental trees or textured plants. Finish with subtle string lights or recessed lighting beneath benches for a cozy glow. Layered lighting not only improves safety but also makes the space feel larger, more inviting, and beautifully designed long after dark. A compact water feature can completely change the atmosphere of a narrow side yard without taking up much space. Wall-mounted fountains and bubbling urns are excellent choices because they add soothing sound while preserving valuable walking room. Position the feature where it's visible from both the front and backyard to create a natural focal point. Surround it with shade-loving plants, decorative stone, and subtle lighting to soften the space. The gentle movement of water makes the garden feel cooler, more peaceful, and noticeably more luxurious. Privacy doesn't have to come from a tall fence alone. Professional landscape designers create a softer, more natural screen by layering plants of different heights and textures. Start with narrow evergreen trees for year-round coverage, then add flowering shrubs, ornamental grasses, and low perennials in front. This layered approach adds depth, improves airflow, and keeps the side yard from feeling enclosed. The result is a private outdoor corridor that feels lush, spacious, and beautifully integrated with the rest of the landscape. A narrow side yard should feel like a natural extension of your landscape, not just a passage between the front and backyard. Create visual continuity by repeating the same paving materials, plant palette, and architectural finishes throughout the space. Carry similar shrubs, ornamental grasses, and accent planters from one area to the next, while maintaining consistent lighting and edging. This cohesive design eliminates visual breaks, making the entire property feel larger, more refined, and professionally landscaped from every angle. every narrow side yard has the potential to become more than just a walkway. By combining thoughtful layouts, layered planting, quality materials, and cohesive design, you can create an outdoor space that is both beautiful and functional. Whether your goal is to add privacy, improve curb appeal, or simply enjoy a more inviting garden, even small changes can make a remarkable difference. Thanks for watching Home Garden Concepts. If these ideas inspired you, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know which transformation you'd love to try in your own yard.